That whooping 70% of users on Facebook trust verified account more than unverified account on social media. Yup, that is that little blue or black tick on your social media close to your name. It makes a huge difference in how people perceive you online. It's not just about looking cool, but it's about building trust and boosting your engagement. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into how you can get verified on Facebook for free in 2024. Having that blue tick or that black tick isn't just for celebrity anymore. It's not for brand, like it's not for wealthy people. Changer for influencer, brand, and anyone looking to mark their online presence. So I'm going to walk you through various steps on how you can get your Meta verified badge. Alright, so are you ready to apply for verification? What next? First of all, make sure your profile is complete. This means you need to have a profile picture, you need to have a cover photo, and a bio that clearly represents who you are or what your brand is all about. After that, you need to gather your documentation because Facebook usually requires an official documentation. When it be your ID, a proof of your business brand, that is if your account or your Facebook is for a business, okay? It could be a license or it could be a tax filings form, okay? Now, when filling out the application, be honest and detailed. Use keep over any section. They are all important. And trust me, at the end of this video, you'll be able to get your account verified for free. So without wasting much time, let's head over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you how you can do that within a few minutes, right? So I'll just head over to my Facebook app, and when I click on my Facebook app, I'll just go ahead and click. You see where my profile picture is at this right hand side, okay? I'll just click on that. So after clicking on that, it will take me to this interface. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on help and support. After that, I click on help center. So after that, you just allow it to load, and when it has load, what you just need to do is just to go ahead and type request a verification badge, and you just send. So when you click on that to send, you have all these options. So what you just need to do is to click on this first one that said request a verified badge on Facebook. The blue verification badge lets people know that your page or profile is public interest, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and click on this first option. So when you click on this first option, I see all of this stuff like this, all of those stuff like that. So what you need to do is just to click on fill this form. You can see verify your profile or your page. So you just need to click on fill in this form. So when you click on that, it will take you to this particular interface here. You need to tell Facebook what you want to verify. Is it your page? Is it your profile? As for me, this account is my profile. I'll just go ahead and click on profile, okay? After that, you'll be asked to input your profile URL. This is where you can copy your profile URL on your profile link here. So the type of document you want to use for this particular tutorial. So for me, I will click on national ID card. So from here, you'll be asked to choose the document. Choosing your document, you just go ahead and fill in your categories, okay? What is your page all about? As for me, it's a digital creator, so I'll just click on that. So you go ahead and choose your country of. Describe the people who follow your page or profile. Include who they are, what are they are interested in, and why they follow you. So this is optional, okay? You can choose to do it and you can also choose not to do it, okay? It's optional. So when you now come to this last part, they will now ask you to add up to 5 articles That's your social media account and other link that shows your page or your profile in the public interest. So if you copy all those links, you go ahead and impute them here. If that Facebook is going to review your application, it might take several weeks, and they might also ask you for additional information if needed. Then in the case maybe you are denied, you need to reapply after 30 days. Of this tutorial, I want to hear from you. Have you tried to get verified on Facebook, or are you thinking about it? Drop your experience or any question in the comment section. And don't forget to check my other video for more tips on how to boost your social media game. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also comment on this video. Bye.